back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Authentic Hillary, and today guys I am exploring Union in Deira. So let's dive in, let's go and see, we explore Union at night and we see how it looks like. Yes, so this place you see here is called Union, and it's the place where the metro joins, connecting to different areas. So you can see how busy it is. It's at night, and this is how busy the place is. Yeah, so let's explore together guys. Let's see how this beautiful place looks like at night. I can see the very beautiful buildings around. KFC here. Yeah. So guys, in general this place is very nice, and it's overcrowded. There's so many people moving around, those looking for food, shopping. Yes, so guys, when you look around you can see a lot of buildings on this street. You can see there are so many beautiful buildings, and those ones are apartments and a few commercial buildings. Yeah, some of them which have restaurants on the first floor, and then on the upper floors there are apartments. Yeah, and actually when you are here in this area you hear a lot of languages, meaning this place is a mixture of culture. So this is how the place is in general. And right now I'm just here on the street. This is where I'm chilling, and you can see how busy the street is. Riga Business Center. see a lot of street merchandise. I don't know what they are advertising. Yeah, but it's like they're advertising for these massage centers. Usually on top there are also massage centers. So I guess these guys are advertising for the massage centers around this place. So you can see the machines. You just place one coin and you win. But it's usually not easy to win. Just one point. You might lose or win. It's just by luck. So you can see the whole street has so many machines, playing machines. So this is the metro station, the guy said, a Riga metro station. So many shopping centers, arcades, coffee places, and a lot of restaurants. Actually, this street has so many restaurants. As you can see, almost every building is occupied by a restaurant. So you see how it is. Also these gaming machines.